you need to synchronize separate audio with your video, here's the quickest and easiest way to do it. At the end, I'll also show you how to sync multiple clips at once using the fastest possible workflow. If you have two audio recordings, for example, the audio from your camera and a separate microphone, you can sync them automatically as long as both audio sources are on different tracks. Start by selecting your video and both audio files. Right-click and choose Synchronize, or map Synchronize to a custom shortcut. I personally use Alt+S. Click on Audio Track Channel and press OK. Normally, Premiere should sync your audio automatically. If it fails, then you have to look at the waveforms or timecodes and align them manually. If the autosync is slightly off, you can nudge your audio one frame at a time using the Alt plus left and right arrow. If your audio should be between 2 frames, click on the menu next to your sequence name and enable Show Audio Time Units. This disables frame snapping, so you can adjust your audio with subframe precision. After syncing, remove the unwanted audio. If you want to learn how to cut these parts easily, then check out my previous trimming and cutting tutorial. If you want to link your new audio, then unlink your clip from its original audio by right-clicking and clicking on Unlink, and then link it to the new audio by right-clicking and clicking on Link again. Then you can simply disable the original clip, mute the track, or simply delete it. For a faster workflow, map Link to a custom shortcut. I personally use Alt+L. If you have multiple clips, you can sync everything at once, but only if every video clip and audio clip is on a separate track. To do this manually, enable link selection and selection follows playhead. First put your audio from the microphone or whatever you want to sync your clips with on the first audio track. Now select your first clip with its linked audio, and now press the Alt plus down arrow key twice, and then press Alt plus up once. Press the down arrow key without Alt to move to your second clip, and press Alt plus down 4 times and now Alt plus up twice. Repeat for your remaining clips. You always go down double the amount of your clip number and go up the same amount. You can always do this with your mouse if that's faster for you. And lastly, a much easier method is to select all your video clips and your external audio directly in the project panel and create a multicam source sequence using the same audio sync settings as seen on screen. Then right-click this multicam sequence and choose Open in Timeline. You should now be able to see all clips correctly synced and placed on separate tracks automatically.